back. This is NK and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to do something I haven't done in a very long time, which is bake. I haven't baked since early pandemic, so mid 2020. So it's been a while since I've baked, and I baked a lot of things. I tried a bunch of things: cupcakes, cookies, brownies, and mostly banana bread. So I'm going to be making banana bread again today. It's been literally over a year since I've made it. I love banana bread, and then I specifically love the banana bread with chocolate chips. I literally can eat it all day long. I have all the ingredients already, and I was looking in my fridge and I was like, I have bananas that are super ripe. All I needed was the chocolate chips. So I just went to the store and grabbed chocolate chips, and I have everything else already here. So we are going to make some banana bread. I thought that was just a fun little activity that I can do on the weekend while I'm just chilling. So this is now a mini series of NK doing things on the weekend that is not just going out and drinking, and doing more wholesome things, staying inside and really maximizing time indoors, which I've truly been loving. I feel really good about just taking time for myself, doing things that I enjoy, and just having a good time while doing it and being productive, but also doing fun, creative things. I'll list out all the ingredients so that you just have a sense of what I'm going to be putting into this thing. For people who make banana bread and know what it's all about, this is obviously not new to you, but for people who are not familiar, what the basics that go into banana bread are: flour. I like to use all-purpose unbleached flour. Then there's sugar. You can either use normal sugar or brown sugar. Then there's baking soda, semi-sweet chocolate, butter, salt, then obviously the bananas for the banana bread. switched over to my Canon vlog camera instead of my phone. Full disclosure, it was gonna just be easier with my phone just because I can prop it on the wall, but many issues with storage, so just wanted to be very transparent about that. I am just trying to definitely just get through this video for you guys. This is the mixture right now. It's super thick. I put in a lot of chocolate chips. It's gonna be really good. And now we just transfer it into the pan. So this is what it looks like in the pan. It looks so pretty. Let's get a better look. There we go. There's so many chocolate chips. I'm so excited. Ooh, I'm so excited. Okay, in we go. We're putting it on the top rack, like so. There it is. I definitely forgot how hard it was to bake. Totally forgot how hard it was to bake, but we got through it. It's in the oven now. I'm just gonna clean the kitchen and chill out, and then I will show you guys obviously what it looks like when it comes out. We have let the banana bread sit for about 30 minutes now, so I'm gonna take it out. Oh, and it came out really easily because I sprayed the pan. So oh my gosh, it turned out so well. It's so moist in the inside. I actually hate that word, but that would be the word to describe this. And the chocolate has melted in perfectly. It looks so pretty. I like, don't even want to eat it. I tasted a little bit. It tastes super good. And it's the perfect brown on the outside. Like, look at this. It's like, oh, like it's still warm. So you can actually see like the heat coming out. So good. Definitely not gonna eat all this, but I will share my roommate and my friends. Thank you guys for watching. This was definitely a fun experience. Definitely fun to just do this on a weekend day. And I'm happy about how it turned out. Oh, it's really good. Oh my God. Yum. I will have the recipe linked below, like where I found this specific recipe, but otherwise I will see you in my next video.